Hi everyone, welcome back to today Railway Transport Talk Show. Today, as usual, we will just hang out, relax, and chat something interesting about railway transport. So today we will have our four panels here, which is the students from University Utara Malaysia, and as I know, they are all very expert in railway transport. So can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Manchin.
Hi everyone, my name is Siti Nurhazwani.
Hi everyone, my name is Nafis Sumairah Prima.
Hi everyone, my name is Gam.
And I am Law, your moderator for today's talk show. So today, our topic will be the advanced technology in solving the railway problem. And we will focus on the three different technology, which is the blockchain technology, the drone technology, and also the augmented reality technology. So first of all, the blockchain technology is very popular nowadays, and it is a database that storing information block to block connect by chain, and you can communicate all the information across the various platforms. So how does the blockchain technology enhance the security in the digital ticketing system for rail transport?
Okay. I think for me is you avoid the fake ticket. So sometimes people make some fake ticket to ride the train without paying. So maybe this is a problem because it can cost the train company money and also cause issue for real passengers like that. So blockchain it helps this to solve this kind of problems because it can significantly reduce the risk of ticket counterfeiting. So the transparent and also tamper-resistant natures of blockchain ensure that once a ticket is issued, it cannot be duplicated. So this is crucial for maintaining the revenue stream of the rail transport system.
So I agree with your opinion. As the blockchain can enhance security digital ticketing system for the rail by securing digital identity for their passenger tickets. As what you say, this will reduce the fraud and ensure only ticket holders can access to the ticket that they buy. So, for the example, when the passengers purchase the tickets, their identity information is securely recorded in the blockchain. So, since the digital identity is securely tied to the ticket on the blockchain, it becomes actually difficult to other individuals to duplicate the ticket. So, the entire journey of the ticket from the issuance to the validation is traceable on the blockchain. So it will secure the ticket and it avoiding the fraud happening. So what do you think?
I also agree with both of you. So I think for me, rail transport can enhance with doing the immutable record, which is the blockchain create a tamper-resistant decentralized ledger where each ticket transaction is recorded as a block. Once ordered, it cannot be altered, providing an immutable record. So we can also make a smart contract, which is self-executing program on the blockchain. Can automate the ticket, insurance, validation, and information of route. This reduces the reliance on centralized authorities, minimizing the risk of fraudulent activities.
So I agree with you all points. However, I would like to add some more. So as we know, blockchain technology is a way to keep information safe and secure. So this technology can also help to make sure the ticket are stored in a safe and secure way. Here are example from University of Birmingham, which introduced a new digital ticketing platform. So this platform offers passengers a variety of ways to pay for and access their ticket using a combination of legacy and modern methods. So with blockchain, each ticket is assigned a unique identity that's recorded in the system. So this makes it difficult for the browser to create a fake ticket, as each ticket alternatively can be verified by checking its identity on the blockchain.
So yeah, I think from opinions from you all, the blockchain technology is it is very hard when we want to convert the ticketing system from offline to online. And the blockchain is a crucial role in terms of like security. Like not only the customers care to buy a fraud ticket, from the terms of sale, they are afraid of that the security, that the information have some misleading. Yeah. So and also the transparency is also a very important things in so that in for the information storing digitalized inside all the computer. Yeah. But what are the specific challenges that when you are using the blockchain technology on the digital ticketing system, and how does the blockchain can address all the challenges?
So for these questions, I would like to mention is a privacy checks. So blockchain technology can help to protect the privacy of passengers by allowing them to control their personal information and data. So with blockchain, each passenger data is stored and on an immutable ledger that is transparent and secure. So this means that the passenger can control who has access to their data and how it is used.
I also agree with your point, which is the privacy and security can be the challenges, which is the blockchain can enhance privacy security by providing users with control over their digital identity. A ticket holder can have more confidence in sharing data personal information. So that for the ticket vigilation as the blockchain ensures secure and permission access to this data.
Okay, so for my opinion, I think the challenge for the current system is the cost. As the current system can be so expensive to build or to maintain due to the central infrastructure. So, the building and maintaining a centralized infrastructure, including the servers, data centers, and also the networking equipment, involves the substantial cost. So, I think not only that, the cost of maintenance, as it requires the regular maintenance, updates, and security measures. So, these activities contribute to the expensive cost. So, I think the blockchain distribute model has the potential to reduce the cost itself.
Okay. So from my perspective, it also help to like interoperability, because currently you can see that existing ticketing system may lack of interoperability. So it makes it difficult for different platforms to communicate and also share information like seamlessly. So blockchain it help to provide the standardized and also decentralized protocol that facilitates interoperability between different systems. So this can lead to a more connect and also efficient ticket ecosystem, allowing users to seamlessly using the ticket across various of the platforms.
Okay, so the blockchain is like it has the ability for you to transfer all the data across the different platform and different people, but at the same time also can have a high security. But the challenges is also the obvious, so that I think the blockchain is still have a long journey on if you want to apply on the digital ticketing system. So yeah, so now we will rest and we will be back for the next technology. It's about the drone technology. So stay tuned. So welcome back to the Railway Transport Talk Show. And now we have a new panel here, and he is also one of the students in University Utara Malaysia. He is the expert among the experts in the railway transport. So can you introduce yourself to the audience?
Thank you. My name is Raj Arikusanta, and I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, thank you. So now we will be discussing about the drone technology. As I know that the drone technology is something that fly on the sky and take all the picture, and usually I use as the entertainment. So now I am really surprised that the drone technology could be used in the railway transport. And what specific aspect of the railway transport security challenges does the drone technology aim to mitigate?
so the drone is the one that flying around that you mentioned before. It's for monitor the railway infrastructure, like the bridge, the tunnel, and also the tracks, to detect the issue like the rail ruptures, track damage, structural problems with the bridge. So the drones can provide detailed error imagery for inspection and detection for the problem. Error inspection also provide a comprehensive view of the railway infrastructure that help to inspectors to detect problem that might be challenges to identify from the ground level. So the drone helps, the drone equipped with the high resolution cameras and sensors can conduct the aerial inspection of the railway tracks. And it also can capture the detailed image and video of the entire track network. So I think the drone have their its own capabilities to help to detect this issue in the railways.
Okay, I agree with Wani. So maybe like rail transport have some security challenge, for example, checking train track, bridge, and also tunnel. The usually ways take a lot of time and needs people to do the work. So this can cause delay and might mean some problems get missed during the inspection. So drone will help just now the moderators say that drones are like a flying robot with special cameras and sensors. So instead of using the people walking and checking everything, drones can quickly fly around and take really good pictures and videos of the train track, bridge, and also tunnel. So this may help find problems or things that need fixing much faster. And also the picture and also the data from the drone makes it easier to see if something needs maintenance and or if there is security issue like that.
So to agree with you both, so to mitigate the real transport security challenge, so drone technology can be used in inspection of critical infrastructure. So drone can be used to inspect critical railway infrastructure, including high voltage electrical lines, catenary lines, tracks, and also the switching point. By capturing extensive imagery, drone technology can expedite the detection of defects and ensure enhanced railway security, reliability, and also the schedule performance.
I agree with your point, which is the specific expect for rail transport security challenge is emergency response, which is the drone can provide rapid response capabilities during emergencies or security incidents. So they can quickly assess the situation with real-time information to responder and assist in decision making for effective emergency management, so that the drone can help rail transport become more convenient for more people.
Okay, I agree with you on the point. You have to come up with a great point. So for me, I guess that a drone is come up with the LiDAR or thermal imaging, which is can detect a thing or problem that we cannot see with the naked eye. So by that we can improve our infrastructure. And also in long term it will solve a long term problem or long term damage which will improve by the railway in the future by using the drone. And not only now, I think in advance the drone will apply with the new technology, new AI. It will also give a more positive impact on the railway system.
So now I know that the drone is very useful in the railway transport industry, and together with combination of the different technology, it can solve various of problems. But how does the drone can provide a cost-effective and efficient solution for assessing the condition of railway assets without disrupting the regular operation?
So for me, it's like reduce the safety risk. So drone can provide a cost-effective and also sustainable solutions for the maintenance, as they can collect image and also of multiple rail lines at once. So you can maybe imagine there is a job to need to check the train track and other things on a train road. So normally people have to go to this place to check if everything is okay. So some places are really high up and also hard to get to. So and it can be dangerous for the people doing the checking. So but if we use drones, we don't need people to climb up or go into risky place. Drone can fly and take picture or video from up high. So this way nobody is in danger and we can still see if everything is working fine with the train tracks and other stuff. So using drones make the job safer because nobody has to go to dangerous place.
So I agree with your opinion, but I think for me, the drones will reduce the cost because the drones provide an efficient eye in the sky to keep the types of infrastructure condition without the hassles and cost of taking the infrastructure out of service for the hand inspection. As I mentioned before, drones can conduct aerial inspection of the infrastructure like the tracks, tunnel and also the bridge and other assets remotely and without interfering with the train. So, this will avoid the need for the costly track closures or slow orders required for the manual inspection. And the data collected by the drone can be analyzed using the AI and the image processing technique to automatically detect the defect and the flaws. This removes the need for manual review of all the footage. So we didn't need to hire the labor to work for this. So I think the drones will reduce the cost.
I agree with your point, which is drone offer a cost-effective and efficient solution for assessing the condition of railway asset while minimizing disruption to regular operation in several ways. So we can reduce the labor cost, which is employing drone for asset inspection eliminate the need for extensive manual labor and physical inspection. So that this reduces labor costs associated with deploying personnel to inspect railway asset, especially in challenging or remote location.
So for me, drone technology can minimize the disruption of railway operations. So for example, drone inspection can be scheduled during off-peak hours to minimize the disruptions. This facility ensures that assessment can be conducted without affecting passenger or cargo transportations.
Okay, great points by everyone. So for me, I guess that digital drone is like a futuristic guardians of the railway system, and not only that minimizing human error or human error, and by saving time, drone also will give very informative information which needed on time, and by that they also not only interfere with human activities, but they also cover all the activities or all the needed by human to run the railway system. Plus with they say the railing discover and advanced radar system, I wonder in future or now the drone system will not only give great information or great activity, I think they will reduce the needed of the human in the railway system by using and by covering all the activities that human do right now.
So I think the most important thing in the drone is that the real-time monitoring system that provided by the drone, which we don't need to like hire all the labor to do all the work for any monitoring, any checking. We can use the drone to enter any dangerous area or the restriction area to help us to monitor any changes or anything happen inside the area. And also the drone can cover a wide range of area so that we don't need to like travel a long way to reach the area for any checkup. So yeah, I think that's all is for the drone technology. And now here we will have a break for our panels here, and we will be back next for the augmented reality technology. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, so now we are back together with our expert panels, and now we will be discussing about an interesting technology which is the augmented reality, aka AR technology. So as I know that the VR AR technology only appears in the sci-fi movie like the Iron Man, the screen beside that, So, and now the AR technology already implemented in our real world inside the railway industry. So, how does the AR's visualization capabilities have the potential to revolutionize the maintenance procedure in the railway industry?
Okay, for me about the AR, I guess to first of all create a digital twin. Digital twin is a replica of the physical component of the railway track, like the track, tunnel, and more. By creating a physical virtual replica, the AR will help the maintenance team to explore about the component, a specific part of tunnel, a specific part of train, something like that. Okay, by addressing the specific part, they will gain information for the status, condition, and moreover the history of the component. By applying this information, they can plan to do upgrade, or they can identify the future problem of the specific part and more. So I think AR will not only engage the safety, but also make the maintenance team work more easier and advanced.
So for me, I would like to use an example to answer these questions. So imagine a railway maintenance worker is tasked with repairing a train brake system. The worker can use an AR tool to scan the brake system and receive real-time visual instruction on how to repair it. The AR technology can also provide tailored information based on the worker's expertise and experience. For instance, if the worker is new to job, the AR tools can provide more detailed instruction and explanations. On the other hand, if the worker is experienced, the AR can provide more concise instruction.
Okay.
Okay, so the AR have the potential to revolutionize as the asset identification and the AR itself involve the integration of the image recognition technology in the railway maintenance operation. For example, through the AR, technician can effortlessly identify the specific railway asset by pointing their AR devices at the equipment. So, once the recognition, the system overlays relevant information such as maintenance history, manuals, and the other critical data onto the technician's view. This streamline access to the asset-specific information enhance efficiency, allowing the technician to quickly assess and address the maintenance need without they need for the manual research or paper-based record. So the seamless integration of the AR in the asset identification not only improve the workflow, but it is also contributes to more effective and informed decision making in the railway maintaining process.
For me, AR has the potential to revolution maintenance procedure in the railway industry through its advanced visualization capabilities, which is visual guidance. This visual guidance shows the function of AR can overlay the relevant information such as maintenance instruction and checklist directly onto the physical component of the railway infrastructure. So the maintenance technician can receive step-by-step guidance in their field of view, reducing the need to consult paper manual or digital screen. So that AR transform maintenance procedure in the railway industry, making them more intuitive, efficient, and more aligned with the modern technological advancement.
I agree with you. Like AR allows maintenance technician to receive real-time guidance and from expert remotely. So imagine you are fixing something on a train track, and you are not sure what to do. So with using AR, you can wear special glasses. Also, even if the expert who knows a lot about fixing things is far away from here, so they can see what you are looking, and through your glasses or device, they can guide you and also tell you what to do and help you to fix without being there in person, and this save time and also money.
So I feels like the AR can help us to do a lot of things in the railway, like in terms of the maintenance in the railway. Like whether you are a novice or an experienced worker, AI can help to provide guidance or tutorial for you to done the maintenance. Like any details, any decision also can do through the AR technology. And I think that these three technology we can make a combination for them. Like from the start, from the drone technology, we can have the monitoring any problems or any issue regarding the railway. So and the data that capture from the drone technology we can use to transfer via the blockchain technology. We can manage to have communicate all the data, all the information across the different platform and different people, and also at the same time given a high security to any privacy for the data. And the AR technology last can provide the users or the workers the ability to do the maintenance and also their job in the railway transport. So yeah, and we are very grateful tonight to have all our expert panels here discussing about the advanced technology in solving the railway transport. So, and also thank you for the audience for willing to attend our talk show, and stay tuned for our next talk. And you can subscribe to our social media, YouTube, and also don't forget to hit the like button for all the audience that watching us through the live. And that's all from us. Thank you.